a brand new line of primes in PL and EF from DZOFilm. Let's dive in right now.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hey everyone, Graham Mailer-Sheldon here from CineD.com. Welcome back to the Warner Brothers lot. We're here for Cinegear 2024. I'm at the DZOFilm booth, joined by Jeremy from DZO. How's it going, Jeremy?
It's going great, and it's been a busy couple days here. So
yeah, people are excited, and I hope people have been excited about your new line of lenses that you're showing off right next to me here. Can you walk me through the specs?
Sure. So we kind of call this the big brother of the Vespid line. A lot of people shot with Vespids, a lot of people own those sets. So this is like the new and improved version of it, right? So these go to a T14 across the line, and they are more clinical than the Vespid line. Vespid is more stylistic, but this is more kind of flat, clean, very sharp. They've got a great focus roll-off, and they're just really pretty lenses.
And what's the name of the whole line?
So I think it's pronounced Arles. It's a town in France that I don't quite know how to say it, but a lot of people call it Arles.
All right, so if you're from France, in the comments, if you could let us know if we got anywhere close with that, that would be appreciated. Okay, so how many different focal lengths are shipping, or at least announced to be shipping soon?
Sure. So right now it's in pre-order on B&H. And there are 5 focal lengths right now. It's a 25, 35, 50, 75, and 100.
Okay, Jeremy, so in terms of covering of the image circle, I know we have it on a Sony FX9 right now, but can you put a number to the image circle coverage?
Sure. It's a 46.5 millimeter.
Okay, so that should cover a good deal of cameras out there.
Yeah.
So T1.4 throughout the lineup, a little more of a clinical look, you said. Available in only PL? What kind of mount options?
No, PL or EF. The only difference between this and like the Vespid line is Vespid line came with the separate EF mount, but these you have to buy the EF mount separate for it.
Got it. Okay, so EF mount available a la carte for this line. In terms of pricing, can you buy it all as a set? Do you buy them one prime at a time? Both options?
Yeah, you can do both right now. If you want to buy the 5-lens set, it's about $9,600 in that range, or individually they're between $2,200 and $2,300.
Okay, and I don't have the number off the top of my head here, but how does that compare with the pricing of the Vespid line, do you know?
Yeah, so the Vespids, there's actually a sale going on with the Vespids right now. You can get like a 7-lens set for $6,500. Very good price. Or individually, they're about $1,500.
Okay, so when you say a more clinical look, you mean sharp from edge to edge, no kind of...
Yeah, more sharpness, less color tonage, yeah.
What about a unified, clip-on map? It has that as well?
Yeah, 95 millimeter unified.
With 0.8 pitch gears?
Correct.
All right, Jeremy. So what about weights? Is it similar throughout the set?
They're all pretty similar, between like 1,400 grams and 1,600 grams.
Okay, so good for, drone work, gimbal work, potentially. What about...
Another cool feature of it is you can switch between imperial and metric. So you take it off, turn it around, put it back in, and you're in metric.
Okay, if you, speaking of swappable by the user, can you do that with the EF mount too if you buy that a la carte?
Yeah, you can swap it from PL to EF by yourself, user swappable.
Very cool. Well, Jeremy, thank you so much for your time here at Cinegear. So there you have it, folks. It's the Arles line of lenses from DZO, available for pre-order right now.
Right now.
Okay. B&H. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more continuing coverage from Cinegear 2024. If you have time, don't forget to tell us if it's Arles or Arles, and like and subscribe. That would be awesome. Thank you.